Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about different aspect covered in process. Welcome here and now we are discussing concept of process. We have already done with the introduction part and we have already seen the different aspect of computer system as well as operating system. Here we are talking about the concept of process. So what we are going to talk about here is we are going to talk about not necessarily in this order, but this is the, you can say, the complete syllabus of process. So we are going to talk about program versus process. What we called it as a program, what we called it as a process. We are going to talk about different state of process. This is one of the very important topic in GATE examination. The attribute of the processes, that is we are going to store in PCB, and that is a acronym of process control box. Okay, so we are going to talk about process control box. Process state diagram that we are going to talk about. We are going to talk about what happens when we suspend a process, and we are also going to see process state transition diagram with when we are going to have a suspension. Okay, so there can be suspension means it can be suspended directly from ready queue to suspend state, and we are going to not suspend here in this case in memory, but we are going to store them in the disk. Then we'll talk about process scheduling, and we will talk about different scheduling queues. There is a job queue, there is a ready queue, and there is a device queue. So they are waiting to be resource. Okay, what they are waiting for? They are waiting for the resource to be allocated, right? They are waiting for this. Then we'll talk about state queue diagram. We'll see the gate quotient, which is nothing but the quotient related with an examination. In the examination, what kind of different kind of quotient asked from this particular topic. Then we are going to talk about the scheduler. Then there is a dispatcher, there is a long-term scheduler, there is a medium-term scheduler, and there is a short-term scheduler. Okay, so we're going to talk about this. We are going to talk about context switching. Okay, we will talk about that how a process switches, what is basically context switch, and basically it is nothing but that process is in execution to another process. So you are executing in memory and we are just going to another process. Then we are going to see the gate quotients. We are going to talk about in extent the operation on the process, that is the process creation, and we are more concerned here with this command, that is the fork command, that is used for creation of a child process. Okay, child process. And we'll solve some quotient related with this. We'll also see the process termination part, and then again we'll see the gate quotient. If you're not familiar with this gate examination, then this is one of the exam in India for this taking admission in post graduation. Okay. So this is the agenda of this chapter called process. Okay, so that's all here. Thank you.